Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, folks. Michael Zuber, one rental at a time, back with his good friend Omar Faro. And we're going to have an honest conversation that lots of people need to hear. And I will let Omar kind of share it with you, and I will second it. Omar, what do you got?
Man, okay. So there's something here that I want to share with everybody. Um, we're all doing the best we can. Um, but remember, it's the best we can. Right now, there's a lot of people that have, the last 18 months, they've gotten an ego. They've gotten really that, I don't know, that know-it-all type of mentality. And really sit back a second and check yourself because you literally aren't that good. You're not that good. You haven't been through the processes of this real estate, cyclical cycle up and down. And then, you came off of that 18 months of just complete, freaking Disneyland, I would want to say. And now we're faced with something different. Your passes are expired. The lines are super long. You're going to be frustrated, pissed off. It's 110 degrees outside waiting in a line, and you're waiting out there for an hour, hour and a half. That is going to be the real estate game right now.
Well, it's going to be
You're going to,
it's going to be the
it's
entire game. I
the
want to,
entire game.
I want
Go
to be
for it.
very clear. When you brought this up, I'm like, yes, because I want to remind people, my story of one rental at a time starts after being reminded that I wasn't that good. I turned
Fuck yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
$7,000 into 200 grand. I thought everything I touched turned to gold. I
Mhm.
thought I was a genius. I thought, how hard could trading be? I got 7 grand to 200, and I got spanked. I lost 80% of my stack because I got arrogant, cocky. The market made me. And in fact, it made everyone. Housing 2004, 5, 6 made everyone. The last 18 months, 24 months made everyone. There are YouTube channels with hundreds of thousands of subs who got lucky with timing, right? You bought Tesla and it went to the moon. Now Tesla's down 50%. Then you went out and bought this company and that company, and you're getting your ass smacked. Kathy Wood comes out and buys technology and is the number one mutual fund or wealth manager for 2 years in a row. Now she's in last place. The market made lots of people. If you don't check your ego, you are going to go broke. If you don't ask yourself, did the market make me? You're a fucking moron, right? And I
Damn.
swore on purpose, right? Because there are so many people I see that don't understand the market made you. You didn't do the work.
Uh-uh.
You're not that good. The market made you. So sorry to swear. I just
Damn.
had to get that off my
That was
chest.
passion right there. And the thing is too, guys, like and Michael, I appreciate that. And obviously when you cuss, that means you're truly passionate about something. And it's there. It's like, even though the market made you, if you capitalize on it, fuck yeah, phenomenal. Awesome. I was talking about that when I was speaking to some, a couple hundred people about how the market made you. And if you capitalize on it, awesome. But at the same time, like get back to your basics. Like
Yeah,
I
if you
understand
don't
this.
pivot, you're going to be like me and lose 80%. I was so arrogant. I thought I could always turn it, change it. Oh, I got one bad bet. I'll do it again. One bad bet. I'll do it again. One. No, the market's changed. If you can
Completely
pivot
changed.
now, you can save yourself. If you don't pivot, you're going to go bust.
And let me, for all you investors out there, the best fucking deal that you can make is the one that you don't buy.
Yes,
Okay.
sometimes.
Let me
Yes.
tell you that right now, at times. Okay. But then there's going to be other deals that you do want to buy. And you're like, damn, I should have bought it. But I'd rather say, damn, I should have bought it than, damn, why did
Am
I
I
buy it?
exact? Yeah,
Okay.
the
Because,
next 18 months, you're right. It's going to be about the deals you don't. And I'm talking to the operators who, like, you're doing
yes,
2 or 3 deals a month. I guarantee you there will be a deal that you beat up your spreadsheet and go, ooh, I might make 10 grand. Don't do
nope,
that deal.
not doing it.
Not
No,
that,
not
don't
at
don't
all.
do it. No, don't do those.
No. And, to go to segue here into what we're talking about getting back to your basics and you truly don't know shit, um, be the student, understand that you still are humble enough to like learn more. Just because you had a little bit of success, oh, you know what? This is the best part. You had success and you have 2 doors.
Hmm. Yeah.
Oh, you have 3 doors. Like, oh no, no, I'm on top of the world. You have 3 doors. Something can change. 3 of your tenants don't pay you. Now you have your mortgage payment plus 3 more. Now what?
Yeah.
Are you going to be able to cover that $12,000-$15,000 nut just on a payment? Like, that can happen immediately. So this is what I'm saying. If you're in the real estate game, if you're a real estate professional, helps buyers and sellers, like, still figure out ways to get in front of more buyers and sellers, because you have to do 3 times the work to get the same result, if that makes sense.
No.
So that's where we're
Yeah.
at, guys.
Yeah. So people follow our channel, specifically your playlist, Omar. We're very upfront, right? 18 months ago, we said it's the best time to do this or that. We're talking about transactions falling in our first video. We both shared our passion in cuss words, because I did it to wake people up, right? I usually hold that stuff back, except when I want to wake people up. There are some people that you still have time to save yourself. Pull back, pivot. Understand the market made you. Use this to your advantage. And I want people to really hear me here. The last 2 years were about income. The next 2 years are about wealth. My whole one rental at a time journey has always been about wealth. Rental properties, one at a time. Get rich slow. Get rich for sure. It's not quick. It's not Airbnb arbitrage. It's not, syndications. It's not value add. It's boring. One at a time. Do the work.
Do the work. And you know what? You just said something really quick, but before we log off here, I mean, this is a good topic. When you make the pivots, like, everyone's out there still trying to Airbnb and arbitrage this, that, and the other. I want to see all those people's balance sheets, because they're fucking they're negative. I'm telling you, they're negative or breaking even. And I'm going to share this with you because I know for a fact, not unless you're in a, Miami on the water, this, that, and the other, but you also have other income. That's not your primary source of income, by the way. But if this is your primary source of income is Airbnb, we did all of the numbers and we have a successful portfolio of Airbnbs. I rented them all out. Yesterday, my lady and I, put one of our newest properties on the market to rent. I'm like, it's paid off. It's guaranteed incomes like every single month. And the reason that we're doing this, it's like, okay, we've had a month of no bookings. Even though there's no debt
I
on the
want people to
property.
hear this. You have an
A month.
Airbnb,
Yes.
no bookings.
No bookings, 1 month, and it's very minimal, and it's in a great area, pool, great, views and everything in Lake Havasu. But check this out. The minute I put it on, or we put it on the market to rent, I got 3 messages, $2,600 a month, times that by 12 of pure profit. Oh, and by the way, we don't have to pay utilities, no more cable, no more alarm, no more maintenance, no more bullshit. And guess what happens? Now we're a positive $30,000 annually. So then what happens with that money? That $30,000 goes and pays another performing asset somewhere else, but it's guaranteed. Does that make sense? Like, it's crazy.
Yeah. There's a lot of people that got real estate, frankly, investing in general. There are these get rich quick schemes that come along that work for a moment, and then they hurt a lot of people. Burr is one that is going to crush a lot of. It's a great strategy. I've done it 40 times.
Yeah.
It doesn't work in every market.
No doubt.
Airbnb is awesome, and it will be awesome in the future if you have the right property in the right market. That's not most of you. You got attracted to easy, and real estate's not easy. It takes time. It takes work. So, if somebody want to be a part of your world, agent, join the team, see what you're doing. How would they follow you?
Guys, follow me at Invest with Omar. And if you guys want to be part of our team, if you're a realtor professional, if you're out there that you want to be part of a group, and you want to be able to expand your mindset a little bit on how to obtain more buyers, sellers, and create opportunities at your listing appointments, go ahead and click a link. It's called joinfiv.com. Join5.com.
Awesome. Thanks, buddy.
You're welcome.